Top 12 reasons to start working and making money online. Everyone was born with ability, and over the years, many people have added values to their abilities in ways than others have attempted to. Most times, the problem lies in how and what to trade with to get what you want. The fact remains that what you have, skills, passion, consistency, and persistence, must be utilized to get what you desire. Making money online is one of the ways to have extra source of income. The following are top 12 reasons to start making money online. 1. Unlimited earning potentials. Working for yourself means setting your own goals, objectives, and measures for success. You are responsible for your own income, which means no more salary. And if there must be salary, that means you will be the determinant factor to know what you pay yourself at the end of the month or even on a daily basis. 2. Total freedom. There is total freedom for you when you work online. You determine the pace at which you want to earn. You are in control of your time. 3. A healthier lifestyle. When you work from home, you aren't restricted. You can have a standing desk, or work from an exercise ball. You have the freedom to wake whenever you want and do the things you love whenever you want. A healthier lifestyle is what working and making money online offers. 4. You are your own boss. You heard me right. You are simply your own boss when you work or make money online. Another reason to start working and making money online. Top 12 reasons to start working and making money online. Reason 5. You have more time to do what you value the most. As an entrepreneur, working online spares you more time to do what you value the most. It could be spending more time with your family, hanging out with friends, or even watching movie on Netflix. Whatever it is that you value the most, working and making money online gives you that opportunity. 6. Freedom to work from anywhere. Working and making money online affords you the opportunity to work from anywhere. You can cozy up in your favorite cafe, hit up the cool new CEO working space downtown. Work from the airport lounge as you hop on your next flight. Honestly, the options are enormous. It's about your comfortability. You work from anywhere you are comfortable at per time. 7. Set your working hours. It's great to earn your income online because you get to set your own hours. You can work early in the morning, late at night, days, weekends, or any time in between. You are totally in charge of your own hours and work schedule. Top 12 reasons to start working and making money online. Reason 8. Total job security. There is job security for you when you decide to start working and making money online. You don't have to worry about getting fired or laid off. As long as you want to work and make money online, you will have a job. There will be tough times, but if you persevere, then you have nothing to worry about. 9. You choose your own path. Working and making money online is a great privilege because you get to create or forge your own path. You make money however you want in whatever niche you choose. You do what you love each and every day of your life without regretting your decisions because it is lucrative. 10. You are on the cutting edge. Working and making money online helps you to always be on the cutting edge of new technology. The internet is constantly changing and the world is always evolving. Working online gives you the access to new technologies to promote your business. Another advantage is that you always stay informed on latest technologies that will help you to work and make more money online. 11. You earn unlimited money. It's an avenue to earn extra income. Earning extra income will improve your life. Pay off your debt. Save for big purchases, such as a vacation. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Help you reach retirement sooner. Become more diversified with your income streams. 12. You can reach your financial goals quickly. Whatever your financial goal is, working and making money online will help you reach it quickly. These are the top 12 reasons to start working and making money online. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Golden Bells Academy. Follow us on Facebook, Golden Bells Academy 75, Twitter, Golden Bells A, Instagram, Golden Bells Academy, Patreon, www.patreon.com/goldenbells.